Hi again, welcome back. Today is day 14. We're almost halfway through the month of March already, which is crazy. Here is a pattern idea that you might really like if you have your cell phone on you all the time and maybe you weren't so into the owl cozy idea. This is a crochet phone bag pattern and it is available on Etsy. So I am going to just open it up so that I can tell you a little bit more about it. Okay, so this phone bag with a pocket is created by Viv Made Crochet. It is, like I said, a pattern that is available on Etsy. It is $4.80 for this pattern. And it's really very elegant looking. I love the beautiful granny style flower on the front. It looks like it's got some gold colored clasps that hold the strap on. Sorry, got distracted here. It's just pretty. I just really like this a lot. Yeah, let me know what you think in the description box. No. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this something that you would consider using or wearing? Is this something that you would make as a gift for someone else? I totally would use this. I think this is really pretty. And nowadays we have so much on our phones, like you really don't even need a wallet anymore. I mean, there's so many apps to just pay with your phone that you could just put this on and go out for the quick trip to the store or something like that, right? I love this. I think it's beautiful. Yeah, let me know what you think. And if this is something you'd be interested in trying out for yourself, go ahead and click on that link in the description box below. It's going to take you right to my Pinterest board. Then all you need to do is find this picture and click on it. It's going to take you right to this pattern. Again, like I said, this is Viv Made Crochet on Etsy, and I love it. I think it's beautiful. All right, I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying making it. Let me know if you've had any fantastic ideas come out of this, if you've made any of these ideas since I've started this series in March. And yeah, I hope you're having a great day. I'll see you tomorrow for another great idea. Until then, keep on hooking. Bye-bye.